everyone, this is Angel from Fastech Window Machinery in China. Welcome to come our live showroom. Today I stand by our UPVC window machinery assembling plant. In this time, I want to introduce our CNC 4-point welding machine for you. This is our 4-point CNC welding machine. For this machine, the biggest welding size is 2,400 and 2,800 millimeter, and the minimum window size is 470 and 500 millimeter. For this machine, the biggest welding height is 180 millimeter. Biggest welding height is 180 millimeter. Yes, for this machine, the biggest function is can do 4-point welding in one time, has the high production capacity. Also, for this machine, we install industrial computer here. Industrial personal controlling. For this operation system, it is just like a computer. Okay, now let us show you our screen. This is just like a computer. For this computer, we adopt Windows environment, Windows 7 environment. Based on this, our machine also can do the remote controlling function. When you use our machine, if you have any problem you cannot solve it by yourself, please contact us. We can do the remote controlling at the first time, help you solve the problem. Okay, now I want to introduce our machine's special advantage. Okay, look at here. For our machine, as we know, for welding machine, the air pressure is very important, because when you do the welding, the air pressure can give profile pressure to do the welding. The air pressure is most important thing. Based on this, in order to make sure our machine has enough and stable air pressure, we install a special pneumatic device here. This is a special pneumatic device can make sure our machine has the stable and enough air pressure, air supply. Besides, for our machine head movement, we usually adopt servo motor. This is the servo motor. This servo motor controlled this two head movement, and the other one servo motor can control this another two head movement. Both the servo motor will adopt Schneider brand. Look at this Schneider brand. Also, for our machine movement, we usually adopt a square reel reel. Also, you can see our heating plate fitting, we also adopt square reel. Also, the clamping moment, we also usually adopt the square reel. Okay, now I want to introduce our machine's configuration, just like the electrical components. Look at our electrical components. Both our electrical components, we usually adopt the Schneider brand. Schneider brand. Also, for our pneumatic components, we usually adopt SMC brand. SMC. Yes. Also the solenoid valve. Also is the Schneider, the SMC brand. Okay, that is our machine's configuration. Now, let us invite our engineer to demo this machine. Look at this is the welding result. This machine can do 2mm welding and seamless welding, 0.2mm welding. This is the seamless welding, 0.2mm welding. Because with the lamination of the space, our factory space is laminated, we didn't put a transfer on this side. In your factory, if you need, we can have a transfer table on this side. After the welding, the frame will translate automatically to another side. Okay, now I want to have a summary about our CNC 4-point welding machine. First, our 4-point welding machine has the high production capacity, can do 4-point welding in one time. Also can do the 2mm welding and the 0.2mm welding. Also the function is automatic change. Secondly, our machine has the high end. Also, we had a computer. This is our controlling center. You can enter your window size by the keyboard. Also, you can copy your working list by the USB connection. That is our 4-point welding machine. If you have any questions, please drop message here or contact our service team. Hope my explanation make you happy. Thanks for your watching. Bye bye.